In this video, I'll guide you through how you can install and activate Elementor Pro license key on your WordPress website. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to log into WordPress website and install the free Elementor Page Builder plugin. To get a free plugin, you have to hold your mouse on plugins and click Add Plugin. Now search for Elementor. Once you find the plugin, then click on Install Now button. Once the install process is finished, then click on Activate. Then click on Skip Setup. Then log into Elementor official website and download the Pro plugin. Once you download the Pro plugin, then log into WordPress website, hover your mouse on plugin and click on Add Plugin. Now tap on Upload Plugin and then choose File. Now you have to find the Elementor Pro plugin which is downloaded from the official website and click on Open. Now click on Install Now button. Now click on Active Plugin. Now you have got two different ways to activate your Elementor Pro license. To activate Elementor Pro, you have to click on Elementor, then activate here and log into Elementor Pro account. But if you have only the license key, then you can remove everything after $admin/ and paste this. I'll put this link on the video description. Then you'll come to this page. Now on this input box, you have to paste your Elementor Pro license key. Once you add the Elementor Pro license key, then click on Activate. Then you will see this kind of message. Your license key is activated.